Felco Tools. Let's go talk about them. The Felco long-handled shears have a great balance to them. Lovely for pruning things like boxwood, Portuguese laurel, stuff like that. These are the harvest shears. Absolutely wonderful. Fine tip, nice balance. Great for making flower bouquets. This is the Felco 600 pocket pruner, and I love that it folds. It clicks into place, and this is something if you have bigger branches that are about 2 inches, it's quite nice. You can easily get just outside the branch bark ridge, and the Felco's cut on the downward. They're great sharp blades. Just clean it, then you push in, and then it folds nicely. This is a pair of Felco number 2 bypass pruners, and what I love about them is their weight. You can get replacement parts for the blade, for the springs. There's even holsters and cleaners for them so that you don't set them down in the garden and lose them. These ones should prune branches not much bigger than a pencil. I'm going to undercut this Japanese maple here and create a little bit more light for my summer pruning. Just a great one to have on hand.